My dear friends, welcome to A1 Aptitude Academy. In today's video, we will discuss the syllabus of class 10th English. So, subject name is English Language and Literature and subject code is 184. So, this video has been prepared in English language. If you are comfortable in Hindi language, you can watch our Hindi medium video also for all the subjects including English. So, this here we will discuss the syllabus of English in English language for 2021-22. Now we see section wise weightage. So first section is reading skills. 50 periods have been given for reading skills. Then writing skills. 60 periods have been given for writing skills. Then we have literature, which includes textbooks. So 60 periods have been given for literature. Now we see the description of the syllabus. So first is reading section. From reading section 20 marks. So in 20 marks we have first multiple choice questions from the unseen passage, that means comprehension. You will get 10 multiple choice questions from a comprehension, that is unseen passage, and this unseen passage will be descriptive type. Okay, this will check your inference evaluation, that means inference evaluation and then vocabulary. You will have a choice of two questions, that means you will be given 12 questions and you will have to attempt only 10 questions, 10 out of 12. So 10 in 10 multiplied by 1, 10 marks. 10 questions, each questions will have 1 mark, then total marks 10 for this comprehension. Similarly, second comprehension marks are same, 10 questions out of 12, 1 mark each, but the type of comprehension will be different from the previous one. Here you will get a visual type comprehension, that means you will get a statistical diagram, for example graph or pie chart, okay, or simple graph. So word limit is here 300 to 350 words, okay. So there will be two comprehensions and total word limit is 700 to 750 words of both the comprehensions. So we have discussed 20 marks, that means 10 marks each for each comprehension. Now we will move to literature textbooks. So here you will get an extract and you will have to answer 5 questions based on extract. Each question will have 1 mark. So 5 multiplied by 1, 5 marks. And this extract will be from prose or drama section. Then we have another extract from poetry, that means from poems. Again we will have 5 questions of 1 mark each. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Then grammar. So grammar have been allocated 10 marks. So you will have to attempt 10 questions out of 12 of grammar, and these questions will be multiple choice questions. So we are discussing the syllabus of term 1 because multiple choice question will come only in term 1, and in term 2 you will get descriptive type questions. So these are topics of grammar. First topic is tenses, then modals, then subject verb concord. Then we have reported speech, that means direct indirect. Then commands and requests, then statements, then questions, then determiners, then use of passive voice, that means active voice and passive voice, then different types of clauses, then you have last is prepositions. So these are topics of the grammar. Then in term 2, that means part B, you will get descriptive types questions. So here first is writing. So writing have been given 10 marks. So in writing section, you will get a letter. Okay, you will have to write a letter, that means formal letter, based on a given situation, and word limit is 100 to 120 words, and there is a choice of 1 out of 2 here. So 5 marks for letter. Then second is paragraph. You will have to write a paragraph of 5 marks. Okay, and you have a choice 1 out of 2. Okay, so word limit is here. Okay, so 100 to 120 word limit. Then we move to literature now. In literature section, you will have to attempt 4 questions of 2 mark each. Word limit is 20 to 30 words and choice is 4 out of 6. Okay, actually you have 2 books, so you will get 3 questions from each book, and you will have to attempt 2 questions out of 3 from each book. On similar pattern, again you will get 3 marks question. Same pattern is same, but marks here 3 marks for each question. Again you will have a choice 4 out of 6, 3 questions from each book, and you will have to attempt 2 questions out of 3. Word limit is 40 to 50 words here. So next is long answer type questions. So long answer type questions, 1 out of 2. You have a choice of 1 out of 2. And from one book you have 5 marks question, and from second book you have 5 marks question. So fifth and sixth is long answer types questions. So these are long answer types questions. Now we have reached to the end of the discussion. So here we have names of books. First book is First Flight, second book is Footprints Without Feet, and third is Workbook. Okay, so we have discussed the whole syllabus of the English and literature. Okay, class 10th 2021-22. Now if you want to prepare for this subject, you need special books of 2021-22. I have prepared a list of these books. These books will certainly help you in preparation, and list of books is available in description box with links. You can purchase those books by clicking on the link. So in this series we will discuss the syllabus of all the subjects of class 10th. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you can watch our Hindi series also. Now if you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hope to meet you in next video, and sorry for the disturbance behind.